The NASDAQ is lagging quite a bit this morning as the yield curve flattens. We had Netflix earnings last night, and the stock is getting absolutely hammered, down over 25%. That's pushing the NASDAQ down over 0.8% as I speak to you right now. All three other indices, again, this is as I speak to you right now, are up. Got the Dow up 0.6%, the Russell right behind it, just short of 0.6% higher. And the S&P is barely above the flat line, about 0.08% positive and teetering into negative territory. As we look at yields right now, we're looking at real yields turning positive in the U.S., but the overall curve flattening a little bit. The 30-year settled above 3% for the first time in years yesterday. Now it's at 294. We're looking at a 10-year at 288. That's falling from a settlement of 293 yesterday. And when you look at the yield curve, we actually had the 2s, 10s go from 39 basis points positive on the 18th to 32 yesterday to 29 today. 5s, 10s from 6 basis points to 2 to 0 as I speak to you right now. 5s, 30s from 16 to 10 to 6. So we're getting a flattening across the yield curve. Existing home sales fell 2.7% in the U.S. and last month was revised lower from down 7.3% to down 8.6%. The euro is strengthening as Germany's PPI beat. The dollar is having its biggest down day as a function of a stronger euro since early March. German PPI came in much stronger than expected. Month over month came in up 4.9%. The forecast was only up 2.6%. Year over year came out at up 30.9% versus a forecast of 28.2. Now, in terms of earnings and data, we've got Powell and Lagarde speaking tomorrow. Jay Powell, head of the U.S. Federal Reserve, and then obviously governor of the ECB, Christine Lagarde. That will be interesting to watch. Now, notable earnings today after the market close include Tesla, CSX, Alcoa, and United Airlines. Tomorrow before market open, we get Union Pacific, American Airlines, Quest Diagnostics, Philip Morris, Freeport-McMoRan, Dow Chemical, Tractor Supply Company, and Snap-on Tools. Then in terms of data, this afternoon we get the Fed's Beige Book. Tomorrow we get EU inflation figures, jobless claims in the U.S., along with Philly Fed and the Conference Board's leading index of economic indicators.